Sorry, the video part 2 didn't really capture the end. It finished ended there, so I am continuing here to show the rest of that, and I'm trying to implement this part of the count or insert token. So I want to now show you so I do the count or insert token, and so I have the the method implemented here. So I follow the exact same way that we show in Blackboard, right? You go through the symbol table, you compare the token to each word in the symbol table, and you compare the result in X. That comparison, if it's positive, that means you are still going down the alphabetical order, so you are not there yet, so you continue to keep on going in this loop. But if you cannot find it, you break. That means it's not in the symbol table already. Although you don't come to the end yet, you know that it's an alphabetical order. So now you know that I points the location where you should insert it. So you break. But we'll talk about that when we break. But if it's actually found, it's equal, X is actually equal to 0, then you just take the symbol table entry and increment count, right? And then you're done. Then you return, right? So that is count the token. And now if it breaks from this loop, it comes out here. We need to insert it into the array. So we first need to make room. So we go from numbers. We go from the back of the of the array, and so we decrease it until it comes to the point of insertion. So we move everything down by 1. So now we have room, and the location pointed to I. We insert the new token. We create a new token, and then we increase the number of words used in the symbol table. That would do. So after that, we we just go back and keep on reading until we come to the end of file. That in my test file it indicated by that, and then I can easily do this, right? So, or maybe at the end I can also do system out print F output done. The distinct words. Right, and then it's num words. Right. Okay. So we're done with that, and so I can show you how it runs. So we can do Java C A7 sim tab Java. Right. Now I can do A7 sim tab. Right. So it reads from the keyboard. So I enter a token. I can do America. I can do Beth. I can do Connie. I can do PQRST. I can do XYZ, but I can also do another America, now in uppercase, but it would be counted the same. Beth, it would be counted the same. And then now I end it. So I have how many distinct words? I have 5 distinct words, and right. So that's prints the symbol table. I hope that completes it, showing you all of that. So I would claim the end of, let me go to this to show you the end of it. It's in that video and in part 2. Right. So I demonstrated that. And now the third part, A9 print out symbol table. That should be easy.